Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. We just want to show you how to make hot air. So this is not connected yet. So it could be heating the garage right now. It's almost 125 degrees. I'm going to show you on the side right here. If you can see that, it's about 123, 124 Fahrenheit. As you can see, get out of the glare, it's just leaning against the garage so that the air comes in through the bottom, it goes out through the top. That could be heating the garage right now, but the summer is what I really want to do with it. Let's make it into a dehydrator. So if I put it over by the porch or against the picnic table, I'm trying to imagine how I can make a dehydrator, a wooden box or something. I put a lot of racks in it. I could dehydrate all kinds of fruit and vegetables this summer, and I won't have to be canning or anything. But attach it to the wall and heat the garage, and then in the summertime I can use it as a dehydrator. Anything you want to do with renewable energy. So if you want to go off the grid, click the link down below. If you want to make hot water for your solar pool heater, it's in a link below. There's all kinds of stuff. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, here you have how to make your own hot air and heat your house for free. All right, we call that the solar furnace in a messy yard. All right, have a nice sunny day.